Number 2, write the following isotopes in nuclide notation. And then for example, which is e.g., they give us an example here where we need a number on the top, 14, a number on the bottom, 6, and then the elemental lettering for that example. So we have to do that for francium-217. Okay, so let's just set this up, right? We definitely need a elemental lettering here. So I'm just going to put a big blue box for where we're going to put the elemental lettering. Let's color it in nice and sky blue. Sky blue. Okay. And then we have the 14 number on the top. So we got a number on the top, and then we have a number on the bottom. So we'll put that there. Okay. All right. So for us, the first thing to do, or I would say probably the easiest thing to do, is to just find out the elemental lettering. For our example, they gave us a francium. Now, some of you might know what francium's lettering, elemental lettering is, but if not, you can always whip out that periodic table and find out where francium is. Francium is all the way down here. It's in group 1, all the way down. It is the largest radius element, francium. And Fr is francium. Okay, cool. 1 out of the 3. Now, let's talk about this 217. Now, anytime that they give you this isotope notation, so francium-217, carbon-14, nitrogen-15, it doesn't really matter. But that number is always talking about the atomic mass. Now, there's 2 numberings here. We have to figure out where it goes, on the top or the bottom. Probably some of you might say, oh, Christina, you colored it in green, so we know it goes here. And you are absolutely correct, but just know that the atomic mass is always going to be the bigger out of the 2 numbers, so the big numbers always go on the top. So this is your atomic mass on the top of the notation. So we're just going to put a 217. Okay, now the question is, what is this smaller number going to be, right? In the example that they gave us, they gave us 6 for the carbon. Well, just know that the bottom number is always the atomic number. And for any element, its atomic number doesn't change. So if we look across, period 4, all these whole numbers are the atomic number. And they go up by 1. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and so on and so forth. So if we did look at the example, there was a 6 for carbon. There's the 6. For francium, there's an 87. So I know that the 87 has to go on the bottom, and you're done with your notation. And that's it. What'd you think? I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want to help us out even more, you can become a member to the channel. There's 4 different tiers with tons of perks. So one of them might suit your fancy. Any bit of help helps us out, which will in turn help you out because we'll be able to produce more videos and do more cool stuff as the new school semester comes about. And I'm super excited. So I will talk to you soon, okay? All right, bye-bye.